A lot of us do the if, then, and because, right? A lot of us do the scientific method with the hypothesis and all that. And then we also do claim, evidence, reasoning. So what were you used to? Hypothesis?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many of you are familiar with the if, then, and because? Okay. All right, so that's the direction Peterson Middle School was going towards. When I first started working here, all of you were experts at if, then, and because. And honestly, this is similar to that. So don't lose sight of the other formats. It's just that we're being asked to now take you back to claim, evidence, and reasoning. Because remember the new standards that I said will be coming out? They are pushing a lot of this format. So a claim, let's just start with a claim. If you were to make a claim, what would that look like? What does that mean? Just think about it on the face value of the word claim. Go ahead.
So you're making a statement?
Right. You're making a statement about a prediction almost.
Yeah.
Okay, what's going to happen? So those of you that want to insert the if part of it, let's stay away from the if, then, and because, okay? You're just going to make an all-out claim. This is going to happen, or that's going to happen, okay? Yeah, I'm going to give you chemicals to put together, and I want you to make a claim and tell me this is what this is the result that I'm going to get. So it's a claim, okay? Now, I'm trying not to give it away. You are going to add aluminum foil to a copper chloride solution. If you know what's going on, don't say it out loud. You can work with a partner. For a moment, I want you to make a claim. And the probing question at the top is, what will happen when you add aluminum to copper 2 chloride? So the probing question, everybody write down in the first box, what will happen when you add aluminum to copper 2 chloride? That's your question. What will happen when you add aluminum to a copper 2 chloride solution would probably be a better way to write it. What will happen when you add aluminum to a copper 2 chloride solution? Look at it very carefully. Think about what your homework was last night. Think about what we've been learning the last couple days. Make a prediction. That would be your claim part. Okay, when I add aluminum foil to a copper 2 chloride solution, this should happen. But first, take a moment and see if you know what you're putting together and make a claim as to what you think the products will be. Write it down, and at that point, your goggles are here. This should be your first stop. And then go find your equipment.